Connecting Mailchimp to your Wix website is a straightforward process that can help you streamline your email marketing efforts and stay in touch with your customers. To start, you will need to have a Mailchimp account and a Wix website. If you don't have a Mailchimp account, sign up for one on the Mailchimp website. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix app market. Search for Mailchimp and click on the Mailchimp app to install it on your website. Once installed, click on the Connect button to connect your Mailchimp account to your Wix website. You will be redirected to the Mailchimp website to authorize the connection. On the Mailchimp website, click on the Authorize button to grant Wix permission to access your Mailchimp account. You will be redirected back to your Wix website, where you can configure the Mailchimp app settings. Here, you can choose which lists to sync with your Wix website and set up other options such as double opt-in and welcome emails. Next, you need to add a Mailchimp sign-up form to your Wix website. To do this, go to the Wix editor and click on the Add button. Search for Mailchimp and select the Mailchimp sign-up form. Drag and drop the form onto your website and customize it as needed. You can change the form fields, colors, and fonts to match your website design. Once you have added the sign-up form to your website, you can test it to make sure it is working correctly. Fill out the form and submit it to ensure that the information is being sent to your Mailchimp list. You can also set up automation rules in Mailchimp to send welcome emails or other automated emails to your subscribers. Finally, make sure to test your email marketing campaigns to ensure they are working as expected. You can send test emails to yourself or others to check the formatting and content of your emails. By following these steps, you can easily connect Mailchimp to your Wix website and start building your email list and creating effective email marketing campaigns.